What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good to have you here, and welcome to this video in which we will be covering Project Galaxy, or the GAL token, GAL. If you want to look that up in your exchange, feel free. But basically I wanted to do an update on it because I covered it quite a bit since like the beginning of May. And the last couple of days I haven't covered it, and today I thought was the best day, just a more bullish day throughout the whole crypto market. So yeah, I thought I'd analyze or take a quick look at the GAL token as well. So what's happening? Volume is around the market cap, that's great, so that there's a lot of momentum. Volume is also still growing a little bit, so that's good as well. If we take a look at the price though, you can see, and you can forget about that for a little bit, but we will talk about that. You can see that we actually reached this level, this bigger level here between 5.8 and 5.4. We managed to actually break above the 200 EMA, but now it looks like we're closing below that. So it's pretty tough right now for the GAL token, because I'd say that we're actually going to have some more bearish moves in the short term. What I think is that we'll actually drop down to this level here between 4.8 and like $5. It's quite a big area, so let me visualize that for you a little bit. I think we'll drop down somewhere in this area, and I suspect it will be in the upper bound. And from there, I do think we'll find steady support off of there, but the main thing we would need to do with GAL right now to actually become bullish and to maybe have some sort of a run, like, I don't know, somewhere like 18-20%, definitely possible with Project Galaxy. The project definitely has those capabilities, but the thing we need to do from this level is really this scenario. So we need to close above this full level between 5.8 and 5.4, because if you get stuck within it, which we didn't do, but if you get stuck in it, I mean, you still have that possibility to break above 5.8 eventually, and to get that move up to 6.4 and 6.5, which is my price target for the GAL token. But it's just tough. I mean, obviously it's going to be tough to break through the whole level too. So maybe if we get something like this, that's still good, but if we stay within that level for too long, you just have more of a chance that Bitcoin and the market actually starts to drop down again, and GAL token is just going to fall with that. So that's not great, and that's definitely not something you're waiting for either. And having said that, I think it's important to discuss that as well, because, so as I said, I'm expecting a drop from here. And I think we'll get a steady support from here. But to actually break within this level and to break above 5.8, one thing we would also need is at least a relatively bullish market. So Bitcoin, for example, I always compare Bitcoin with the market because everything tends to move along with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is obviously, it's almost 50% of the market. So one thing that would need to stay that way, or what would need to happen, is that Bitcoin would need to stay around $30,500, and it would be even better if Bitcoin actually gets over 31,000, because then we have some sort of a bullish breakout, and I will guarantee you, even though I cannot, then GAL token will do something like this too. What I think is more likely for the next few days is that Bitcoin will remain stable around 30,000. Then something like this is very well possible. But as I said, if Bitcoin drops down again towards 29,000, we might reach 5.8, but then we're not going to break that, and then we'll see something like this, as I explained a little bit before as well. So this is more of a price analysis than a price prediction. I do have my bias, which you hopefully have noticed. I think we'll see something like this. I think that there's enough bullish momentum throughout the whole crypto sphere, but also throughout Project Galaxy to get something like this. But it really depends on just what Bitcoin does and what the market does, Bitcoin and Ethereum mainly, just because of the correlation in the market. And the correlation in the market, definitely in times like these, only tends to increase. So please acknowledge that. But for now, that's basically my analysis on the GAL token or Project Galaxy. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.